got a surprise for you. You remember someone from last week's video? Oh shit, my raw shit. Oh, no cuss. Let me try this again. Let me get my sensor. Fuck it. Anyways, guess who's here?
Me!
Genesis!
Well, without my glasses, you recognize me, but still.
It's Jen. So, we are going to make a video. We have no clue what's going to happen, so you will just wait and see. So, Jen, what do you like?
I don't know.
I like boobies! Ah, boobies! So, today, Jen, we went to a buffet today.
Yeah.
Jen. Okay, so now, so now that we got that settled with, what are we gonna do today? My hair's so curly, honey boo. Alright, why did the chicken cross the road? 'Cause he wanted to get run over! No! Why did the chicken cross the road?
You do the talking.
Okay! The chicken crossing road goes to the porn shop! Ah! Boobies! We're retarded.
Retarded.
So, now that we got that settled with, we're going to tell you the word of the day is bird. The bird is the word of the bird. The bird is the word of the bird. The bird is the word of the bird. Bird is the word! The word that you can cross the road because the bird is the word.
Yes, it is.
What's the word, guys?
Bird.
Bird. So what are we going to do next, Jen?
I don't know.
I like candy.
I like petals.
I like trains.
I like candy.
I like candy too.
This is scary.
Scary.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun, dun.
We're itchy. That's a freaking word.
What?
Is that a freaking word?
I'm weird? Dun. You want to be in this video too? I can't switch videos. Dun, come here. This is my little brother. So cute. My passion and my fun is cookies. I like cookies.
I bit her.
We're a vampire. Why did he cross the road again?
I don't know.
Because he's going to a strip club. So now you talk to them.
I don't talk about.
Talk about something. Tell us what your day today.
Huh. Looks like knock jokes.
Knock.
Who's there?
I don't know.
I don't know who. Ow! Okay.
Alright.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Cows go.
Cows go who?
No, cows don't move.
Cows go moo!
Wow. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Yeah.
Yo!
Knock, knock.
Knock! What the? Knock! Knock!
Who's that?
Open up your motherfucking door! Guess what? I think we're done with today's video, but you know what you guys should do? Subscribe! Subscribe!
That is our last. Please do it. Please.
If you do it, then I'll buy you a cookie!
And if you don't do it,
We'll kill you.
you'll die lonely.
You'll be forever alone.
Forever. Just lock him in a door. We're not locking him in a door. That's stupid. Alright, I killed them.
So if you don't subscribe, I'll do this.